Welcome to Norfolk County, a rural single-tier municipality on the north shore of Lake Erie in southwestern Ontario. Sitting on the shores of Lake Erie, nestled in the natural bay between Long Point and Turkey Point, this place is the perfect location for recreational boating, fishing and swimming. It offers seasonal RV sites including waterfront sites that overlook the vast Great Lake. Long Point Marina is also a full-service marina with boathouses, covered slips, open slips, a boat launch, nightly dockage, premium fuel for sale, a travel lift, winter storage, and pump-out service. Located in one of the best fishing spots in Ontario, with populations of bass, pike, perch, crappie, and carp among many others. The activities don't stop once you are on land. Hikers can trek the trails at nearby Turkey Point Provincial Park, while mountain bikers have 75 kilometers of the Turkey Point mountain bike trails to explore. Plus, Long Point Provincial Park is just 30 minutes away. A great spot to visit on the coast and experience everything the area has to offer. Turkey Point Beach is a popular 2-kilometer sandy beach on Lake Erie in Ontario, located within Turkey Point Provincial Park. It is known for its warm, shallow waters that are great for families, and it offers activities like hiking, camping, and boating. The beach is accessible via a paid parking lot and can get very busy, especially on weekends.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.
The Joseph W. Subert Memorial Viewing Area was named in honor of one of the inaugural members of the Norfolk Land Stewardship Council. Joe's Lookout has been a popular spot for tourists and birders for many years. Situated on a high bluff, it provides a fantastic view of Turkey Point Marsh, the home of many migrating waterfowl. Whether it's first thing in the morning or a late sunset, this is one of the most picturesque vistas of the inner bay of Long Point. The constantly changing light and seasons make this a truly unique spot in Norfolk County and a must for residents and visitors alike. A significant natural feature of Norfolk is Long Point, a 40-kilometre, 25-mile spit of land projecting into Lake Erie. It plays an important part in eastern North American bird migration and was designated a World Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in 1986. Both the Long Point National Wildlife Area and the Long Point Provincial Park are located on the point. More than 25% of Norfolk County is considered to be forested, especially near the major communities and hamlets that dot the county. The county seat and largest community is Simcoe. Other population centres are Port Dover, Delhi and Waterford. Norfolk County was originally created in July 1792 as a constituency for the purposes of returning a member to the new Legislative Assembly of Upper Canada. The Potterhawk Piss-Up takes place around the 12th of July at Potterhawk Point, a remote sandbar located in Long Point Bay, 8 kilometers southeast of Turkey Point on magnificent Lake Erie. This unique location provides the perfect setting for boaters to gather, connect, and celebrate summer on the Great Lakes. Thanks for watching.